sucking that shit. Oh my goodness, I'm calling my boys so we can have a threesome in my bed.
Oh yeah, Muhammad, yeah, she's really in my bed, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, my boy. But let's go back to the chorus real quick because it's my bird call, if you know what I mean. Roll it again.
That's not just the bird call, that's her moaning and groaning. Oh my goodness, she is getting that shit that did.
Listen, I'm done, Muhammad, I'm done, okay? Listen, that was the last part of me in this song, at least. But I'm not alone. I got one more.
He is not alone, going for the throne. I be sitting on my throne, shoot you in the dome. Fucking chrome, Muhammad, you fucking scrub. 1v1, I get the dub. Flying how you run her up, in my shadow covered up. Man, you a bitch, eh? Fuck around and get enslaved on your bitch and getting faced. Slaw my knob, you fucking gay. Night Carnate, you also gay. Spread her cheeks, I fucking feast. That bitch only freak with me. Turn around and kneel to me. Little whip, you'll fucking pay. All the shit you speak of me. Spreading light and catch his fade. Wash up, whip, get out my way.
No whip, Gaza, your careers are over now. How y'all even gonna respond, you bitch ass, no skilled ass, coward ass, can't rap ass bitches. You're done for. Me and Big Bird, we on top now. And Kyle, we cool for real. But fuck you guys. Lil Zeno,